Uh, Students, today I am going to begin unit number 1, that is capital gain. So, before we understand what is the meaning of capital gain, what are the different types of capital gain, most importantly, first we have to understand what is capital asset. After that, classification of capital asset, that may be long term capital asset or short term capital asset. So, first let us understand what is capital asset. Say for example, a cement factory is there, and in that cement factory machineries are used and cement will be there. See, first of all, machinery, it is an asset, we all know that. Cement, it is also asset, we all know that. So machinery is kept for the purpose of running business, and cement is kept for the purpose of sales. Both of them are assets, and but they are used for different purposes. Machinery is used for carrying out business and cement is used for the purpose of sales. So therefore, an asset which is kept for the purpose of running business, such asset is called as capital asset. Such asset is called as capital asset. And cement is kept for the purpose of sales. An asset which is kept for the purpose of sales, such asset is called as a revenue asset. Here we don't need to understand what is the meaning of revenue asset, we just need to understand what is capital asset. Capital asset only. So now we have understood what is the capital asset. So after understanding the meaning of capital asset, let us study different types of capital assets. In that, first one is long term capital asset, another one is short term capital asset. First, let us understand what is the meaning of long term capital asset. So long term capital asset is nothing but an asset which is kept for 36 or more than 36 months. Such asset is called as a long term capital asset. You have to remember this number, 36 months. An asset which is kept for more than 36 months, such asset is called as a long term capital asset. And now let us understand short term capital asset. So short term capital asset is nothing but it is an asset which is kept for less than 36 months. Less than 36 months. Such asset is called as a short term capital asset. I hope you have understood this. If an asset is used for more than 36 months, that is called long term capital asset. An asset which is used for less than 36 months, such asset is called as a short term capital asset. Right? So this is about capital asset and the types of capital assets. And one more point we have to add here, that long term capital asset or short term capital asset, if they are in the nature of documents, then there will be different rules. Documentary assets. So what is documentary asset? If I have shares, that will be in the form of document. So such assets are called as documentary assets. For the purpose of documentary assets, we have to apply different rules, and I will explain that rules. 12 months. A documentary asset which is used for more than 12 months, that is called as long term capital asset. And short term capital asset, less than 12 months. Less than 12 months. A documentary asset which is used for less than 12 months, so that is called as short term capital asset. Here most importantly, you have to understand what is documentary asset and what is non documentary asset. Machine, it will not be in the form of document, so therefore it is not treated as a documentary asset. So here we have to apply the rules of 36 months, more than 36 or less than 36. Whereas shares will be in the form of documents, so therefore we have to apply the rules of 12 months, more than 12 months or less than 12 months. This is the basic rules. Repeatedly you have to watch this video, very simple concept. So after understanding capital asset, let us understand what is capital gain. Capital gain. So here capital gain is nothing but it is an income. What type of income? It is an income arising out of transfer or sale of capital asset. income arising out of transfer or sale of capital asset. Already we have come to know what is capital asset. If we sell such capital asset, that may be documentary or non-documentary, whatever the capital asset we sell, if there is any income on the sales of such capital asset, that income is treated as a capital gain. I hope you have understood. Okay, this is about capital gain, and this capital gain is classified into two types. One is long term capital gain, another one is short term capital gain. So first let us understand what is long term capital gain. So long term capital gain is also an income which is arising out of transfer of long term capital asset. An income arising out of transfer of a long term capital asset, that is called as long term capital gain. And now short term capital gain, opposite to that. Short term capital gain is nothing but it is an income arising out of transfer or sale of short term capital asset, right? So if we sell long term capital asset, that is treated as a long term capital gain. If we sell short term capital asset, that is treated as a short term capital gain. So these are the basic things. You have to remember them. Most importantly, you have to remember long term